created this Eid special look which is kind of trending on YouTube, and I have also created a Pass the Pasa challenge with this look. So this is a very easy kind of look. I have just matched my eye makeup with my dress, which is light grape green color. So you can also use any color according to your dress in this style. So this is gonna be very easy. So stay connected till the end with this video. So yeah, move to the video now. So for starting this makeup, I'm using this Good Vibes face mist. I also use it like a toner. So after applying this toner all over my face, I am gonna use my Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer from Plum. So I will apply gently all over my face, under my eyes, properly on the every corner of my face, so that it will create a smoothen base for my makeup. So after moisturizer, I'm gonna use my favorite primer. Right now I'm in love with this Nykars Prep Up Primer. This is so good, what I tell you. And now after primer, I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium. So I'm using it over my eyelids, yeah, and near my brows, so it will give defining look to my brows. So after applying it, I will blend it properly with the blender. Yeah, that I'm talking like blender. No, it's a blender what I'm talking. Anyways, so now I'm using this Lakme Compact, so it will set my concealer properly. So I'm using this compact over my concealer. So now I'm using this Revolution palette. I'm using this light brown shade as my transition color. So I'm applying all over my outer V area. So yeah, I will apply in both of my eyes properly. So I'm now using this green grape shade, which is completely like my dress. So now I will apply this color gently over my eyelids, and I will cover my eyelids properly with this color, both of my eyes. So after applying the shade, I'm taking them off. No, I'm blending it properly. All the colors I will blend properly, and now I'm using my Wet n Wild mascara. It is a waterproof mascara, and I just love this one. This is so good. So after that, I have put my falsies. Now I'm using my Faces Canada's magnetized eyeliners to connecting my corners with this falsies, so they will give me a natural kind of a beautiful look. So almost done with my eyeliner. So now I'm using this Miss Clear brown shade eyebrow pencil to filling my brows. And friend, this is really a very good eyebrow pencil. This is so affordable and this is very good. I just in love with this pencil. This is so good. You can see I have filled my eyebrows so quickly with this, and yeah. And now I'm using for my face makeup today this Lakme Mousse for my face makeup, and this is so smooth. If you are not sure about makeup, then just go for a Lakme Mousse. This is very good. It will give you very good finishing, smooth, and you will look gorgeous. You can use your fingers, a brush or a blender to blending it properly, and it is so smooth that it will blend so easily with any kind of these stuff which you can use for blending. So here I'm using this brush for spreading this all over my face properly. So when I'm done with almost spreading of it, then I'm using this beauty blender to blend the strokes of the brushes, or it will give you a very good and smooth touch or finish to your foundation. So whenever I use brush for my foundation, I always use a round of my beauty blender also. So after my foundation, I'm using this concealer under my eyes, and now I am blending it properly for the rest of my face makeup. So after blending my concealer properly, now I'm setting it with my compact so that it will give a very smooth finishing to my makeup, and it will be set long lasting. I will not ended up with any kind of crease lines. So now I'm using this Maybelline Jet Black Kajal for my rest of the eye makeup. So after applying the kajal, I'm using that brown shade under my lower waterline to give a finishing touch to my eye makeup. So now I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Apricot in the middle. This is kind of nude blush, and they have also mixed and give it a touch of highlighter. This is a very light highlighter. So this is working like both for me, a blush and highlighter. So now I'm using some golden shade of highlighter in my inner corners and to my brow bone. So yeah, almost done with my makeup. So now I'm using this golden eyeliner. This is from Stay Quirky. Yeah, this is from Stay Quirky to give it a dramatic look to my eye, and which is almost not looking over my light eyeshadow, but yeah, that's okay. So after that, I'm using this red lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is a dupe, and I'm also using that golden shimmery shade. This is from eyeshadow palette to give my lips a ombre shade. So yeah, they will look so gorgeous, and I love this ombre look of my lips. So I'm almost done with my makeup. So here I have put my jewelry and my dress properly. So this is the final look. So yeah, how is it? Enjoy my beauty. What? So create this easy busy kind of look on the Eid special day, and very happy Eid in advance. So hope you like this video. So if you like this, then please share it and subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. So we'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay connected with me, and very happy Eid, and bye bye.